Hey there, it's Brick with WTI. I am not a fan of drinking water. I basically only do it because it's good for me. So when I'm gonna drink water, I need something that tastes super fresh and delicious without any aftertaste. I truly love this Waterdrop rechargeable non-gravity water filter system. One of my favorite features is that it's only one filter and it is so easy to install. It came packaged very well. Everything was super secure. Nothing could have moved at all during transport, so I love that. And I really like that it has a removable silicone bottom, so it is easy to transport. I have taken this with me a bunch of different places because you never know what the water's gonna taste like. I have taken this out to my parents' camper. I have brought this to my in-laws' house. I find that it actually lasts a long time. It will last me a few days without having to refill it. It is so simple to use. All you have to do is push the button to turn it on and then push the button to dispense and then one more time to turn it off when you're done. If you're looking for a high-end but budget-friendly water filter, I highly recommend this one. I take it with me all over the place. It holds a charge really well and it's great for indoor and outdoor use. I truly love it and I think you will too, and that's my point of view.